This video is for all the people who feel that they are lost, and sometimes you feel directionless when you are young, and especially in today's generation when everything is designed to get your attention and make you distracted. You feel that कि सपने तो बहुत बड़े बड़े हैं, करना तो बहुत कुछ है, बट मैं कुछ कर नहीं रहा हूँ, बस दिन निकल रहा है, सुबह से शाम हो रही है और कुछ प्रोडक्टिव हुआ नहीं है. Now I'll share with you actual things or tips that has helped me to get back my clarity and get out of that zone where I was lost. Number one, eliminate distraction. Bruce Lee had this quote which says that it's not daily increase, but it's daily decrease. Hack away the unessential. You know, in life, when we are trying to improve, it's not always about ki what new to add or क्या नया habit कर सकते हैं. Sometimes it's just about reducing the noise around you, reducing the distraction. अगर तुम अपने इंस्टा स्क्रोलिंग से हटोगे ही नहीं, तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि आगे क्या करना है? When you reduce your distraction, your focus will increase. The lesser distraction you have, the more focus will be. So number one, reduce the distraction and noise around you. Number two, sit with yourself with no distraction. No background music, no this, no that, nothing. Just you and your thoughts. When you sit with yourself, your thoughts become more clear to you. And in today's economy, when we are constantly bombarded with new information, कि ये कुछ नया news आ गया, ये कुछ नया trend आ गया, ये viral हो गया. Nowadays, the information is way more than our brain can actually process it. That's why it's important to just sit with yourself without any distraction. कि that's how you'll get the direction कि मुझे कहाँ जाना है. And what has actually worked more for me is sitting and writing. Sitting and writing what I actually want to do and strategizing कि next steps क्या होने वाले हैं. और है हम सबको नहीं पता होता कि हमारा अल्टीमेट गोल क्या है या वहाँ पे पहुँचने के लिए हमें क्या क्या स्टेप्स या गोल्स लेने पड़ेंगे, और हम सबको कुछ बातें तो क्लियर होती है कि what I should be doing next, कि should I be studying, should I be learning new skill, or should I be reading. And that's what sitting with ourselves gives us. Number three, learn a new skill. अगर नहीं तो क्या ही करोगे, बस endless scrolling or video games. If you just give 20 hours of your time and deep focus to any work or any skill, you'll be far better at that work than most of the people are. Just 20 hours. It can be anything. Your basic coding, copywriting, या फिर digital marketing. अगर तुम बस 20 hours दो, you'll be better at that skill than most people. And in this new economy, it's not the people who are great at one thing or master of one skill that will survive or thrive. In this new economy, it's the people who has the ability to adapt and learn faster. Those are the people that will survive and thrive. और ऐसा नहीं है कि वो तुम स्किल तुम्हारा पैशन ही होना चाहिए कि वो स्किल के बारे में बहुत पैशनेट हो. एक स्किल लो, उसे अपने 20 घंटे दो, अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक, मास्टर इट, निचोड़ो उसे पूरे, और फिर छोड़ दो. फिर अगर इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो टेक अनदर स्किल एंड डू द सेम. And इससे क्या होगा, it's far better than being lost. When you learn different skill, you'll be dangerous and you'll get more clarity क्या तुम्हें eventually क्या करना है. These were the steps, these were my 3 steps that I'm sure will help you get more clarity and you won't be lost anymore. I hope it helped. Thank you.